beautiful and so fragrant plant, jasmine, taken in many Hindu pujas, and this is one of the famous plants in Feng Shui and Vastu also. Such a good vibe giving plant, and one must have this plant in the garden. Caring for jasmine plant. What is the best thing for the jasmine plant to get more flowers and to get it healthy? So in my experience, I say it is the location of this plant. So now here I have a lot of blooms in my jasmine plant, and the location of this plant should be very bright and it should get a lot of sunlight in the morning. So my plant gets about 6 hours of sunlight till noon. So this plant is growing so well, and I've grown it with a stem cutting, and it is in a huge pot. So the pot should be also not too small because these plants need to root well. And when I talk about the soil, it should be well draining soil, and the soil mixture, potting mix should be garden soil, and garden soil 1/3, compost 1/3, and river sand is the best for this jasmine plant. So when it comes to watering, you can water it when the top layer of the soil is completely dried out. Don't let the plant to get too soggy and too dry. You'll have to maintain the moisture balance of the soil. So those are the basic tips. The main thing is the sunlight, and this plant can be easily grown by stem cuttings. You can propagate it in either in water, or these stem cuttings can be kept in river sand grow bags, and after that you can put it in a large pot where it get the ample space. So here is another mogra jasmine plant. It is not flowering yet, and also I have the night jasmine variety. It grows very huge, and you need to put it on ground. If you have put it in a pot, you have to consider about the space. It should be big enough for the plant to grow. This is night jasmine plant. They bloom in the night.